Good morning, everyone. I am here with the one, the only Cubicle King, and we're asking people on the streets to take the Tush test on these two chairs that he brought out of his vault today.
It's very comfortable.
Now try that next chair.
Okay. I like this one better.
Yeah, you like that one better?
Mm-hmm.
See, like all the ladies, she's got good taste.
Feels great. It's not too long. Oh, it's nice, but I like that one better.
You like
it's
this
softer.
one better? Okay.
It is very comfortable. I like the arms. I like the height of the arms and how long it is and how wide they are to rest your arms on.
Oh, great.
At first, I liked that one better, but as I'm sitting in this one longer, yeah, it's kind of molding a little bit.
Okay.
And there you have it, another successful Tush test here in front of the log cabin at the Lady Lake Chamber of Commerce. I'm the Cubicle King. My friends just call me Cube, but my lady friends, well, they call me the King.